Hey yo, what the heck, man? what is this, bro? Yo, why is the freaking character? Oh, wait a minute. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a sec. What the frick just happened? Oh, there we go. Okay, anyways. Hello, everybody, and welcome to the live stream. I'm your host, milkandbanana. And today is another day. Today is the day where we all collectively sigh. Because today is another day of game development. It is time again. I have been working on the game pretty much every single day. I've added like a little bits of here and there, but I've also now made a roadmap. I put it on paper to make sure that the majority of what I want for early access is now done. I like already like planned out. I've discussed this with my brother, which like gave me some insights of what exactly should I keep for early access. And so we have devised a list of things that we need to accomplish in order to make sure that I am up to the standard for early access. And if you guys liked it, then we will go ahead and, I don't know, open some avenues on like maybe like funding the thing or something. But other than that, so far, I want to make sure that you guys get to play the game and you guys get to enjoy it. So, without further ado, also, by the way, how you doing, Chad? How you doing? Hope you're doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. Perfect timing, just finished rendering a video. Epic. Hi, Instant. Welcome to the live stream. I can't wait to play early access. Yeah, it's hopefully you guys you will enjoy it. Am I late? You're not late. Don't worry. That's fine. I'm good. I'm in the car again. Are you going somewhere? Are you driving off somewhere? If so, then please don't watch while you're in the car. It will make you really, really motion sick. Doing your mom. Thanks, Al. Very cool. Too much for spook. I mean, I could work on a horror game, but I don't know. That's so cliche. You know, like everyone who like sort of starts off in game devs makes like a horror game. I don't know, I want to make something that I personally enjoy. I like this kind of games. I like these kind of games. But the problem was, there wasn't any games that are always up to the par that I want. And so I'm gonna make that game. I'm gonna make the game that is on par with what I like, you know? Actually, not feeling dizzy. Alright. Well, hopefully you guys stay safe. You know, wear your mask. And should we remake the playlist since there's like over 75 songs? No! No, we shouldn't. Because that's better. That means we'll just have more and more songs. I deleted a couple of memes. Please do not send memes. I saw Dank Gamer. Looking at you, Dank Gamer. I saw you sent 6 individual videos of the same Korean guy. Stop it. Okay? Don't freaking send memes. Okay? Sometimes, like, make it short. Okay? Make the memes short, for the love of mercy. Why would you send in the 1 hour thing of a jig? I don't freaking want that. I want just a very, like, either like a really quick meme or just like a music. That's it. I'm just gonna put my entire playlist in the dev one. Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Is Bing Chilling still there? I don't know. I'm not too sure. I wish the moderators can moderate that as well. I don't think it is. I think it's up to the playlist manager, which is like the actual guy who made the playlist, which is a little annoying. But yeah, all right, here we go. We have to do some work. Let me actually catch you up to speed of what I've done in the past couple of days. So without further ado, let's do this. Alright, here we go. We're going display capture on this bit. Alright, so here we have the game state as of right now. As you can see, we have here a pretty okay functional like game, I've added in some trays. I haven't added the option to like grab, like this one will be lettuce, this one will be onions, and this one will be tomatoes. I don't still have that. You can turn on the grill, easy peasy. Also have this mayonnaise. You can also order these. So you can, like, let's say if you want to be efficient and you want to, like, oh, let's say I want the lettuce to be here and let's say I want the tomatoes to be here. I don't know. You do you, whatever you want to do. Okay, it's your kitchen. Okay, it is what it is. And the patties, nothing changed much except for the fact that now, if you've seen my Instagram post, there is now an ability for this burger to be toasted on each side. So we can work on that today. We could start working on that today as well. So, you know, that's a thing. Also, I've worked on, if you guys have seen my Instagram or Twitter, by the way, follow me there. I've remodeled this thing. I've remodeled the grill because I want it to look a little more pretty. And most of these are gonna be remodeled because, as you can see right now, it looks like shit. So we're gonna have to remodel a lot of these. Right now it's just sort of like placeholders, and yeah, that's basically it. How much will the game cost? Nothing. It's early access, so it's free. I don't care. I want people to like it first, and then when you like it, you'll pay for it. I don't want people to just like pay for something that they might not even like. That's weird. I'll put it on itch. I'll put it on itch.io so that you guys can donate if you want. But I won't. I don't like offer money up front. That's weird. Like, especially for like a first game. I mean, this is not my first game, but like for my first actual project, you know, I want everyone to experience it. You should put a door back there. We can tap buttons for the screen to order, and truck brings in the food in boxes. Will there be multiplayer? I was thinking of multiplayer, and I was looking up a video of like how to do multiplayer, and I don't think I want to do multiplayer anymore. Because I've seen the multiplayer, how to do multiplayer, and it's a pain in the ass. I don't know. Maybe I will. If the game gets enough traction, and I'll probably do. But other than that, I don't know. MB special admission, add maybe. I'll add like special like recipes that you have to do because again, early access, keep it nice and simple. We don't really have to do that. We don't really have to get like too complicated. We could add it as like an end note, you know. I at least like my estimation is at least I want to get this out either at the end of January next year or basically this year. I wanna do that, you know. Is there gonna be a scroll wheel thing? Like when you interact with an object and you use the scroll wheel to add an object or use the object? Grab an object or use the object? I guess I can make it so that if you scroll wheel, you can go further. That would be a pretty nice feature. I like, if we have time, we can probably do that feature. So, like, someone suggested that if you have, like, this, for example, you can use your scroll wheel to make it go, like, further if you want. We could do that. We could do a thing where, like, if you scroll wheel, then you will be able to, like, make it a little further. Because let's say if you wanna, I don't know, speedrun strats, you wanna grab the bread, and then let's say you wanna, like, be on a distance. Maybe. But so far, I'd like this sort of, like, a miscellaneous thing, in my opinion. I think that was me or someone else said it. I think I had that already on my mind at the very beginning, but I don't exactly know if I want to actually add it, but we'll see. By the way, MB, you should check over the playlist and see what and when stuff. I moderate that to make sure that, you know, if there's any memes in there, I want to remove it because, or like overly excessive, like long songs. So, you know, that's also a thing we have to work on. But now, okay, let's not get off track. We want to now have the ability to use tools. So I want a like I've already planned this out. I want a spatula right here and a knife right here, like a bread knife. The thing that you would use to open bread and also like open packages, because I've also decided that just the bread on the closet is not exactly realistic. Normally, what I would see here is bags of bread. You would see that, and then when you open it, you'll get bread. So that's what I'm gonna do. Same with the patties. I'm gonna have bags. I'm gonna have like soft body bags. And then when you open it with a knife, which you like left click with a knife, you will get 5 patties or 5 bread. That's my plan. MB, where is a rat? Very important. That's gonna be miscellaneous, I guess. Like, there's just gonna be a random rat that will try to, like, I don't know, steal. Like, imagine if they, like, goes up here and then tries to steal the patty or something. I don't know. Like, maybe. Like, that's like a miscellaneous thing. That'll be, like, at the very end. Like, we'll just add those as, like, a little thing. We don't need it as a core mechanic, because that'll get annoying pretty quickly. There's a Roblox game like this. Yeah, basically, yeah. This is, like, very heavily inspired by, like, Cook Burgers. But I always wanted to make a cooking game anyway, so I guess that's completely fine to make to get that in. Alright. Let's go ahead and model the, we're gonna model the spatula and the knife. And probably the bags, too. I don't know. Just to get ahead. Let me just... Oh, this is gonna be annoying, is it? Wow, it's gonna be really annoying. I mean, I don't really need to access those, but sure. Music louder? Okay. Ooh. Alright, hopefully that's not too loud. Alright, let's do source. I've also updated the materials, so I'm gonna be using Kenny's materials. This is like the tomato model I worked on. So far, I'm not doing well with tomato, and I'm just gonna say that right now. Okay, it doesn't look that good. Like, even in double subdiv, it doesn't look that great. So I'm probably gonna have to, like, do something to make it a little better. But other than that, let's go ahead and work on a spatula, because that's our main goal. We want to get a spatula and a... What was it? A spatula and a knife. That's all we want. I want, like, a wooden handle knife. Wooden handle bread knife. Let's do a bevel on this. Like, I kind of want to have, like, sort of a furnished model already in. This is a tomato. Wow, the red thing. Yeah, it looks pretty bad, I will say. Because it's not... Like, I looked for references of, like, tomatoes, and all of them are, like, realistic tomatoes, and none of them are, like, actually, like, stylized tomatoes, which is really annoying. I want to keep it nice and rounded. Just make sure. Watch out, karma's what you make. That is incredibly out of proportion. Hi, welcome, son. Hi, FNF player. Long time no see. Yeah, long time no see. Use any item for 1,000 times for golden variation. I will say, you know what? I'll do that. Because here's the thing, for early access, I just kind of want to do, like, sort of an arcade style, where it's just, like, sort of, you kind of just play it over and over, and then you kind of just have to manage it on your own. There is sort of, like, a scoring system that I have in mind, but I'm not going to spoil it, because I feel like it's going to be really cool. Other than that, I think if we do, we can add, like, Easter eggs like that if you have... Like, if you have played for that long in the early access, you'll get, like, a special item. And I would love for you guys to... I would love to see who will be the first one to actually get that Easter egg. Like, that, like, golden... Like, maybe, like, a golden spatula. Something like that. That would be fantastic. Rip Hazard. I guess, like, you know what, Hazard, I'm not really that mad about Hazard. I think it was a good, like, learning experience. Learning about, like, actually what goes into game development. And just making sure that I want to do this, you know? And the thing is, this game is different. This game, I genuinely want to make it. It's not just like a learning thing or something. It's actually, yep, this has been a game that I've always wanted, you know? This looks like a machete, not a knife. Okay, let's look up a freaking bread knife then. I don't know what a freaking bread knife looks like. Alright, bread knife. What does it look like? Alright, this is a bread knife. I mean, I want this one. There we go. I want this. I mean, oh, it has a rounded edge. Oh. Oh, okay. It's a rounded edge. You know what? I probably should save that. There we go. It's a rounded edge. Every hour, Ambi should check the playlist and every song he needs to guess who puts it in. My brother just got me a... Now I need like a like the thing they use in burger, like the burger chains. It's like a big knife. This is what it looks like, man. This. Nah, but he's giving me a home butter bread knife. You know what? There'll be an Easter egg where you'll just find my brother's knife. We'll just have an Easter egg where like you found my brother's knife and it's a bread butter knife. I'll just hide it somewhere and it'll just be there. I want that. I'll just have that as an Easter egg. I want that. Team C's! If you guys want to donate, I mean, I'm not affiliated with Team C's, but again, it is a good cause, so go ahead. If you have the means to do so, Team C's, go ahead. If you keep spamming I am about to fight a mod, that's not spamming, bro. Spamming is like saying the same thing over and over again. He's not saying like stuff over and over again. So I don't know exactly what your point is. That's not spam, bro. I like your cut, G. Thanks. Alright, let's do this. And nice. Alright, let's do this. I think there's like a shortcut for this, but I still don't know. I really need to know that shortcut. You know what? Sure. I kind of like the soft look of it. We kind of want it stylized anyway. I mean, I kind of want it to be like sharp. Yeah, I'll do that. Whatever. I'll make it sharp. Candyland. This song is actually really good, but it just got ruined by like literally everyone. MV, guess who added the song? I actually don't know. It's probably MG? MG Potato? Either MG Potato or Beam. I'm not too sure. There you go. Check after, so after you guess, you're allowed to. I mean, it's gonna be kind of annoying because I'm kind of busy. How do you add songs? You can add songs in the description. There is a way for you to add your own song, the songs that you want to add for it. If you are gonna add memes, please make it minimal. Please make it short. You know, like I've seen freaking 1 hour memes and goodness gracious. Can you please no? Please. For the love of mercy. Other than that, you know, mostly free reign, really. ABC! Oh. Okay, interesting. You'll be able to cut the bread and stuff, right? Yep, basically. Yeah, this is your bread knife, I guess. Yeah, that looks like stylized enough. I don't want it to look too realistic. I want it to be like, you know, just kind of like it gets the point across, is what I'm trying to say. Do this. Check the playlist every hour to see what's been added. How many minutes have we been? Can you guys give me like a, like, just say hour check. Hour check. Hour check. Yeah, just to see what you get. So, to keep in track. Alright, it gets the point across. Alright, there we go. We got a bread knife. Pretty dope, pretty sweet. I like it. Let's do a spatula next, which is a little bit more complicated. So let's try doing that. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Let's keep this for scale to make sure that we're on scale. So normally, spatulas are as big as these. It's as big as these knives. I've seen these to be as big as these. Want to start hour check? Yeah, sure. Just do hour. Like, just say, like, everyone in chat, if it reaches 1 hour mark, just say hour check, and we can just take a break and look at the playlist and see how many songs have been added. That's gonna be like a nice little thing, like a nice little break we can do. Hey, this song. Nice.
There is a house in New Orleans.
Nicole.
And it's been the ruin of many.
Do you have Uno? If yes, use the block card. Guess once again? Probably you, Peter. I mean, you're the one who requested it in karaoke. I'm assuming it would be you. It'd be surprising if it's not you, because that means that they have some good music taste. I think these are primarily flat. Yeah, something like... Ambi's too smart, someone else act like they picked. Yeah. I'll just like throw out a guess for who sent it, right? So every new song I'll give a new guess. I picked a song about not hating a person. That seems very sarcastic. Well, we're gonna find out what it is. Maybe, I don't know. There's a bunch of songs, so we'll see. Let's see if RNG is by viewer's side. We'll never know. This has been such a good idea of having like a playlist while doing developer streams, because I've seen Ludwig do it. Like, Ludwig is a streamer on Twitch. He has like a playlist for people to send in fan songs when he's doing something really like long, for instance, like Jump King. Yeah, this has been a really nice idea to just have music picked out by chat, so I don't have to freaking pick it myself. It also has some meme potential. Hi Gohan. How do I add songs? It's in the description. You can contribute. And then I think you just save the playlist. New music is shit? Well, I wouldn't say that because there's ultra kill music. But a majority could be, you know, could be not in my taste, I would say. That's a way better thing to say, you know. I'd say it's not my taste. But yeah, these oldies are like have a special charm to them. Yeah, I think there's a couple of new music that's still, you know, pretty good. I wouldn't listen to it by itself though. Really? I've been listening to Cyber Grind while I'm developing this game. I don't know why. I've been listening to Cyber Grind, the song they use for like the Cyber Grind level. I don't know why. I'm addicted to that song. There's something about that song that's like crack. Like I cannot stop listening to it. I feel like I want to lower this down. Hold on. Yeah, I will say that there's a lot of like newer songs that are now like sort of repetitive kind of thing. Yeah. Like on one hand, it's now more accessible than ever, but on the other, yeah, we get a couple of like mediocre music. And that's fine, I guess. It is what it is. Sort of the same with art. What's this? What is this song? Interesting. I don't know who this is. What song is this? I have no idea. I'd say... Lightning? Maybe Lightning sent it in? MB, how do I add music? You kept saying that and you're not taking my advice, so I'm just not gonna answer you. I literally said how you do it, and for some reason you're still asking it. I don't know if it's just trolling or if it actually you're just dumb. I hate every single song. There's equality, everybody. True, true. How to make your parents stop hating you? You can't. They made you. Unless if you're adopted. Which in that case, you have a right to hate them, I guess. I don't know. I don't know how adopted kids work. Because I was switching from my phone to my PC. Can someone show him? Can someone show instant? Like someone who has added songs? Alright, I'm not gonna bother freaking adding. Alright. So we got now the tools. This is primarily it. This is all the tools that you're gonna need. We got a knife, a bread knife, and we got a spatula. So we're gonna get these inside the game. That's my main concern today. Once we get these in the game, I'm done for the day, and then I can basically do whatever. I can add like all the stuff that you guys want, like very simple additions. Someone said the scroll wheel thing, and I'll do that. Yeah, like there's a couple of things that I can add in just for, you know, extra stuff. Let's go ahead and export these. Let's do tools. There we go. Selected objects, applied modifiers, and look at how beautiful Godot is. All right, all I have to do is do this, and then bang, it's already in. Did you see how fast that was? That was amazing. Let's do, what was it? Topping trays. Okay, tools. There we go. Open anyway. Nice. I sent the entire thing of Caretaker, not just one song. Oof. Alright, let's do... Ooh, animal! Animal! Wow! Can I make quick rigid body? Is that a thing? Ah, it's not. Bruh. Cringe. Alright, that's fine. Sub-resources. Really? Nothing? Oh my gosh, bro. That's so annoying. Why, though? But why? I need to cry for a quick 5 minutes. Be right back. Alright, man. Let's do box shape. Make sure the spatula has water physics. Can you please explain what is that? What is can you please explain why exactly we would need water physics with spatulas specifically? I just want to know, you know? I just want to know exactly why. That seems to be like an odd request. Nice space. I kind of hate the fact that I have to like... Yeah, I have to like compensate with this. It's kind of annoying. So you can drink the spatula. Sure? With a question mark? I don't know. Alright, let's save this as tools. The spatula will melt if you hold it on the grill for too long. That's why we need water physics. Oh my gosh, you guys are geniuses. You guys should work at freaking Nintendo. What a genius idea. What a brilliant idea. Why didn't I think of that? Oh my gosh. I don't know who sent this song. It's probably someone who really likes anime. I'm assuming it's Dank. Is it Dank? I'm assuming it's Dank. I'm not too sure though. Okay, let's just do this. I like anime, but I didn't add this one. Yes? So you added this one. Hey, I got that right. Envy, do we need to wash the lettuce? Here's the thing. For early access, I've sort of made it easier where you don't have to prepare the ingredients. For early access, if you order the ingredients, you still have to order when you run out. But if you order the ingredients, it just automatically, it's like already mise en place. It's already ready, so you can just go ahead and keep cooking. Like, we'll have, like, more, like, you know, more harder stuff for, like, if we ever go to, like, a full game. Because, hey, maybe I don't want to work on this, right? Like, that's the thing. Like, I want to make sure that I'm actually genuinely invested in it. Like, in the long run. So that's why I'm making an early access, to make sure. Goodness gracious. Goodness gracious. Okay, at least it's quick. Again, please send in quick memes. Okay, that's appreciated. All right. I don't like that. I don't like having this like huge ass box just for one. I feel like, yeah, that's lazy. I wanna make it a little easy. I wanna make it a little like more accurate. We might also have to fix the collision boxes on our grill, because apparently someone from Discord stated that sometimes you do have to add manual boxes in order to make it a lot more accurate, so we're gonna have to do that. MB, should I start learning how to make games in Roblox? I've been wanting to do it for years now, but never knew how. Honestly, if you want to, go right ahead. I feel like learning stuff in Roblox is pretty cool. It's a pretty, like, I think it's like a 3D version of Scratch. It's definitely an avenue to learn game development. I will also promote Godot, because, I mean, I use Godot. But yeah, like I would say that if you want to start off in game development, Roblox is a pretty good way to start off, I would say. Alvin Blocks, yeah, I've seen that channel. Like when I was like desperately trying to learn Roblox. I eventually gave up because I felt like I want to learn more, and that's why I went to Godot. But, you know. Hello, welcome to the stream. I don't exactly know what your name is, because that's really long, and I don't exactly know the, I don't quite know how to say it, but welcome to the stream. Hope you're having a fun time. watches coding videos, they felt like 2 hours on an episode of how to color a brick. Goodness me. Imagine if you just fry a patty with your bare hands. Yeah, that's why I have a spatula. If you don't have the spatula while it's cooking on the grill, you can't flip it. So you have to have the spatula equipped. So, you know, that's something. Alright, I feel like that's a lot better. Because it'll make it so that there's 2 levels, and that means that it can intersect. Ambi, what's the ending? I'd say this doesn't really have an ending. If I'm gonna be completely honest with you, this doesn't have an ending. Because I kind of want this early access to kind of be like an arcade version of the game that I want to make. I will make some sort of ending eventually for like the full release. But for now, I kind of just want this to be like an arcade experience. Sort of like Cookie Clicker, those kinds of games. Where you kind of just play and you just enjoy it for what it is. I kind of just want that as the experience. But if you want to like sort of finish it, the game with like the achievements and stuff like that, then you could do it. I'll add a bunch of achievements. I'll add a bunch of like Easter eggs that you can find. Stuff like that. But so far, I kind of just want to make sure that what I'm focusing on here is gameplay. And just sort of like, if it's even fun, right? The thing is, the thing with games I've found over the years is that it might sound good in your head until you actually play it. And the thing is, if I don't even get this to be in a fun state, then why would I make the game like more complex? I want the initial game, like an arcade version of the game, to be fun first, and then I'll add complexity to it. Because so far, that's my main priority. I want to make sure that it's fun. Because if it's not fun, then what's the point? Alright, there we go. So we got a primitive hitbox for this, which is gonna be a pain in the ass, if I just say so. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. No.
I suck his dick
no.
with a smile for hours at a time. Stare at his nutsack while I hold back
No.
my tongue tonight. And when he asks me what position, I say
jeez.
doggy style. And when they ask me what position,
This.
I say doggy style. The fact is, I can never get off of his fat dick.
Of course. Of course.
And all that they can ask is, I just wanna smack it. Here's what the fact
I actually forgot I have
You
to.
can
Wait a
put
minute.
my asshole in a casket. Asshole in a casket. So you can see I'm coming, but you won't see me.
Me and my mates joke about this video. I feel like that seems oddly sexual, but whatever. You do you with your friends. Working for boys.
My job's been hurting for so long, it's real. So long, it's real. Always being judged by a bunch of sexy faces.
There we go.
The guys haven't seen a girl in ages. But I've been places, kissing guys' faces.
All right.
Kissing guys' faces. Kissing guys is all that I have practiced.
All that I have
Pussies while I'm
practiced.
on my mattress. I just really wish that I could smack it. Here's what the fact is. He can put my asshole in a casket. Asshole in a casket. So you can see I'm coming, but you won't see me nutting. I'll just keep on sucking.
There we go.
I'm good, yeah, I'm good.
Alright, let's check this out.
Sucks my glizzy, I will become dizzy.
Why don't you make the knife hanging from a wall? That would be a pretty good idea, actually. What the heck? Okay, there's something wrong with how I place these. Okay, let's just drop these. Okay. Alright. The hell is this music? It's... What the Bruh. Nice hitbox, man. What the heck happened to the knife, bro? Hey, yo, man. Man, listen, man. Yo. Hey, yo, man. Why did... Yo, man. Hey, man, listen. Why did... Bruh. You know what? I feel like... Okay, hold on. I'm gonna fix this real quick. I feel like I want, like, a collision to be turned off or something. Or maybe... Doesn't the spatula make it hard to flip the burger, though? Yeah, like... Okay, so here's the thing. It will be equipped. Okay, so here's the thing. I have a tutorial here from this guy. Subscribe to him. He's like a Godot guy. I like him. And he makes FPSs. And one of the tutorials that he has is picking up weapons. So this is the idea. So you can drop it, and then you can switch to another one. That's what we're gonna be doing. I want to make sure that if we click the spatula, we will get the spatula like that. That's the idea. That's what I want. So we're gonna go ahead and try that and see what happens. on different masks or layers. I can never remember how quiet the layer system works, but I found a way to putting the rigid body on one layer and a mask. The other way to do it is to make a collision exception in your rigid body using add collision exception with, and then rigid body will not collide with the object passed in to add collision exception with. The big downside with it is that if you add a collision exception for each object, you want the rigid body to avoid. Make your rigid body node to be on mode static? Huh. Really? Mode static. So I have to turn it static. Interesting. But how would we count the score and all that? I don't want to spoil it. I don't want to spoil how you would get a score, okay? I don't want to spoil it. Because I feel like it's such a good idea. So I'm not gonna spoil it. I'm gonna, like, it's gonna happen at, certainly, like, in the future streams, I'm gonna have to show you how the score system works. But in the meantime, I don't want to spoil it. Emmy, do you want Minecraft Premium for your 20th birthday? That's oddly generous, but if I can, then yeah, that would be pretty cool. Yeah. Maybe there would be an achievement for speedrunning the game. Yeah, I would think that that's a pretty good. Yeah, speedrunning would definitely be like a nice little addition to the achievements. You should add drinks. Yes, there's gonna be drinks in the game. There is going to be. I can assure you that there's going to be drinks in the game, because you know, like some people would order drinks, and there's definitely gonna be drinks. I've sort of already had that on the list, like the main list of features. So yeah. All right. Anyways, what was I doing? I think I had to make sure that that these are not collidable. And apparently, the way you're supposed to do it is you can have object grabbed as mode static. The problem is I don't exactly know what it is. Okay, mode. Is it just mode? Yeah, mode static. Right. Smoothies, if that's possible? Nah, we don't have a blender. That's gonna be a feature. That's gonna be a future thing. You can now buy fruit from the grocery store, and you can like make your own shakes in the store. You also have to buy ice as well. So, you know, that's also a thing. Like, that's for a future thing. That's like for the actual full game, but for now, it's primarily burgers. We want to make it primarily burgers. Let's see. First of all, I don't have a wooden door, so, you know, joke's on you. Second of all, my speakers for spatial audio is not that good. my headphones spatial audio is terrible. It switches back and forth. So I can't really, I mean, that's probably one of the reasons why I can't really enjoy music that well. But on the other, it is what it is. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and implement that. Also, I think the music stopped. Rest employed. Interesting. I died and entered the dungeon? Sag. Object grabbed. Mode. 151,600 people die every day on Earth. Actually, no. And if that's not a reason to cry, well, it's an awful lot of paperwork. It's your first day at work. Is that correct? I think so. Alright, let's check. What better heaven than a desk to spend forever in? Now your body may be shriveled up and worthless. At least we know your funeral will be a civil service. Person so superfluous, a living on the surface. It's nothing so perturbing, we're just trimming off the surplus. It isn't murder if you cause a little accident. We prefer to word it as some mortal middle management. There's the door, we've got millions of applicants dying because of corporate incorporeal entanglement. Everything living has to die. I don't actually... Wait, what's static? What does static do anyway? I don't even know. Yeah, modes. The body behaves like a static and can only move by user code? I guess that makes sense. Honestly, I kind of prefer that for the items. Yeah, I kind of prefer that, right? And also, I want to make this a little bigger because there seems to be an issue with collision. Oh, what the heck, bro? I'm so stupid. Look at this. What happened to my collision box, bro? What is this stupid... Oh my gosh, I'm so bad, bro. Do we just cut the bread or do we just whack it and it breaks in two? I kind of want to have like a motion, but honestly, I probably just left click it and I'll probably do that. What happened to my freaking hitbox, bro? I was like, man, why is this hitbox so freaking dumb? And then I realized my mistakes. Goodness me, look at that. Look at how thin that is. There's a hole in the middle? Oh no, that's not a hole. That's like, I don't know, like a collision detector thing. I don't know exactly what that is. Alright, there we go. Okay. Godot. Okay, there we go. Oh wait, because it's static. Oh, that's why. So you want it to be rigid body. Okay, okay.
He rest employed.
Thank you for watching, Grim. And please do extend our gratitude and sympathies to the 274 generous patrons we need you to process today. Yes, it's a bulk order.
Again.
To need you to work late.
They're gonna improve. They're gonna improve collisions in 4.0, but oh my god. Bruh. Bruh, there we go. Oh no, man. Oh no, bro. Bruh. Okay. What are you doing, bro? Cyberpunk. Oh dear me. Okay. Also, why is my rotation not going back to normal? Hold on. Bruh. If you spam E, it will get out of there. Like you can spam E from a distance. Man, collisions are wacky, am I right? Oh my goodness. Someone said that the way to fix this is to just add your own collisions for the tables. Like for high priority areas. Man, that's gonna be really annoying to deal with. But it is what it is. Alright. What's this song? Why do I remember it? It kind of sounds familiar, yeah. It does sound familiar. I'm gonna add like a table, like a big ol' like block, and see if that fixes the see if it fixes it. I'm not too sure. Linus Tech Tips. As you can see, this is the collision boxes, and let's go ahead and like let's try and get ourselves Get ourselves a little bit better situated here. Hi, Malcolm. Yeah, it's a very familiar, like, song. I don't quite remember exactly who's it from. You should make the burger have a floppy kind of physics? Really? I think we can actually do that. Hold on. Let me try. That's like super easy to add in Godot, I think. Hold on. I might eat my words. Shapes or beats? Oh! That's what that was. Okay. Makes sense. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's save that and see if it's better. We hit an hour check. Hey, look at that! Manual collisions, man. Oh, man. You gotta freaking kidding me. We have to add manual collisions, not the... Oh, man. Oh, my gosh. This is gonna suck. I have to add everything manually? This sucks. Okay, fine. Whatever. It is what it is. Alright. Anyways, hour check. We've finally fixed that. Now we just have to make sure that we can equip these like guns. And, yeah. We're just gonna do that. Alright, anyways, let's do an hour check. It's been 1 hour. Alright, let's check out what's in the developer hell playlist. Let's see what we got. Let's see what's the new boys. We got Stupid John. Okay, interesting. Casanova Metal Guitar Remix. Heck yeah. We got more Bob and Bossip. Stop adding my freaking stream inside of this, bro. Stop it. Don't add it in. Okay. We got some Me Funkin'. Deltarune Remix Big Shot. Coconut Doggy Pulls Up. Heck yeah. Do the flop. It's a me, Mario. Oh no. Dream speedrun music. Nice. Scared Sausages, the Bing Chilling song. Of course. And I think all, yeah, these are, I already know the songs on here. Also, why is there 2 big irons? Why is there 2 big irons? Bro. What is that, man? Alright. Interesting. Interesting addition so far. Also, Instant can now add songs, so that's cool. Where can I request music? You can add it in the playlist in the link in the description. You can apply as a contributor to the playlist, and you guys can send in your own songs that you like. It can be any song, so don't worry about copyright. It's completely fine. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and implement these bad boys into our hands. I do need to look at tutorial. So we're gonna have to watch some tutorial, folks. Okay, hold on. Let me expand this bad boy. It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna lower this a bit. I'm gonna lower this a bit because I need to listen to the tutorial. We're gonna be doing tutorial hours, boys. Tutorial hours. Here we go. So we're gonna basically use this tutorial by Garbage. He's a Godot FPS developer. He's making an FPS game of his own. And we're gonna go ahead and use this. Can you shuffle the playlist again? We already have it on shuffle. So, you know, it should handle everything. Alright, here we go. Let's see what you got, Garbage. Oh wait, it's muted. That's why. Okay.
For this tutorial, in this Godot tutorial, I'll be showing you how to pick up weapons in your game. For this tutorial, I'm using a first-person character controller.
Already have that. Actually, we can sort of skip through
in the game world, and a high-resolution model for the gun you hold in your hands. We're going to do this as well. Create a roughly gun-shaped object using a rigid body node. I assume you already know how to do this. And call it gun A. If you look in the script, I've got some code that throws the gun a bit forward when dropped. var dropped equals false, func underscore process delta. If dropped double equals true, apply impulse, transform.basis.z, minus transform.basis.z times 10, dropped equals false. This isn't...
Alright. This one, we don't have to do this. Because, Actually, do we have to do this? I don't think so, actually. I'll just do it, sure. Let's just copy it. Does he have a paste bin? Nah, it doesn't have paste bin. Gosh darn it. Okay, we're gonna have to copy. Okay, fine. Okay, so the idea is... Wait. Okay, you know what? Let's watch a little bit further into the tutorial because he might say something that's really important.
Strictly necessary, but it adds a little bit of extra realism to your game. Next, create the high-resolution version of the gun using a simple mesh instance node. Call it gun AHR. In my case, I just made it the exact same color and size as my low-res gun, but you can do whatever you want. Once that's done, repeat the same process.
Check comments for pasting. I was about to be like, yo, someone did it. Nah. Nah, it doesn't. Gosh darn it. Alright.
With a second gun, creating both a low-res and high-res version, call them gun B and gun BHR. Finally, return to the character controller scene, click on the hand node, click the chain link button at the top of the screen, and add either gun AHR or gun BHR as a child of it.
Now, do I have to do that? I guess I have to. You know what? We're going to copy the tutorial step by step, and I think so. The idea is
click on the camera node, click the preview button, click on the hand node again, and in the inspector on the right, adjust its transform until the gun is in a position that looks good to you. Once that's done, right-click on the gun node and delete it. Now you can start coding. In the script, the first thing we're going to do is create.
Right. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to add a spatial node of hand to place the spatula and the knife where we want it. And then, after that, we're gonna have just a mesh instance of it on our hands. That's the idea. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I think that should be fairly simple. We're gonna keep this in mind. In the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and work on the stuff that he said. Actually, that's a little too loud. Hold on. There we go. Alright, I think we can do it. Okay. That should be fairly simple. So... the thing is, we already have rigid bodies for this. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy the code that the thing had. So we're just gonna go ahead and copy it. Tools. So I think what he has was var drop equals 0. He had a function of process, like physics process, which and then after that, he had if dropped is equals to 1. He had like a transform of some sort. I forgot what he said. What was it? I think it was like a transform. Apply impulse transform basis z transform basis times 10. Huh. I have no idea what is apply impulse. Applies a position impulse to the body. Impulse is time dependent. Applying an impulse every frame would result in a frame rate dependent force. For the reason it should only be used for simulating one-time impacts, the position uses the rotation of the global coordinate system, but is centered at the object's origin. Huh. Okay. I got no idea what the hell that means, but sure. Let's see. Okay, apply impulse, transform basis z, and then negative transform basis z times 10. Negative times 10. Is that correct? Right, I think that's correct. Okay. So now we just apply that to both. Attach a script. Where is it? Oh man, my freaking stuff is so disorganized. This is the thing. They would always say to make sure that your stuff is organized at the very beginning, to make sure that you don't mess up like me. But, you know, me. I am el stupid. And I don't do that, I guess. So now we got 2 of them. I'm guessing, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and isolate them. That's what I'm gonna do. Because I feel like that's a lot easier to do. I'm actually in Godot game making club. Epic! You have a Godot game making club? Fantastic. We can learn together. That's fantastic, bro. Hi, Leo. Alright, let's see. Let's just save this as a branch. And we're gonna call this, just like what he said, HR. Actually, no. Wait, what was I doing? Why did I say this HR? It's supposed to be... Oh, gosh. Oh, no. It's just supposed to be bread knife. There we go. And then... we'll export this. Wait, can I make, like, a new node from this? Really? I can't? Bruh. That's cringe. By the way, Ambi, this song is going to be on LOL's week. Interesting. Yeah. Only 2 days, though. I mean, hey, you'll learn a lot for 2 days. I'ma play the lewd rhythm game Mule Dash. Get the booba. Your healthy dose of booba. Ambi wasting brain cells for a whole 2 or 3 hours. Yeah, basically. Just frying them up. The 2 brain cells that I have. 2D games only? I say that Godot is super duper good for 2D. 3D, eh. But 3D is a little eh, but 2D, mwah. Very good. They're very good at 2D. Like, the whole system for Godot is very optimized for 2D. That's why a lot of indie games are starting to develop in Godot, because they have a lot of tools for 2D. I wish that, like, the 4.0 update for Godot is now starting to add more 3D functionality. And, yeah, hopefully it's gonna do that. Stream lagging for anyone? Hold on. I am not dropping frames. Jizzy, you Peter. Sag. Alright, let's do... How do I... Man, can I really not make this, like, their own thing? Alright, fine. I guess I can just duplicate this. And I can save this as, bread knife HR. And we'll just remove that. So now we got bread, like, bread knife HR. Bread knife, which is like the normal bread knife. And then we'll have to do the same to spatula. Spatula. And then spatula HR. There we go! Okay, this seems like what he had. Spatula, HR, spatula rigid body, and then we're gonna do the thing that he said where it would, do we say, sure, let's save it. Alright. Oh wait, I forgot that it has to have, gotta move these. There we go. The stream lags when I type. Dang. That's weird. So now we got... Okay. What the heck happened to you, bro? Oh, wait, because... what the heck happened to bread knife? Oh, wait, because it's... it's just the what? Excuse me? Bread knife is supposed to be this guy. You're an imposter. What is this? There you go. This is the real bread knife. Bruh. We had an imposter bread knife. Yeah, very sus. There we go. This is the real bread knife. Okay, so we got the spatula as well. Now we need to make it, make a hand for the thing here. For our player. So we got head. And then we have hand. Let's just add a spatial node. Hand. And apparently this is where our HR would stand. Where is it? Okay, spatula HR. That is incredibly big. That is incredibly big. What's cool about Godot is this. So you see right now, it looks like garbage. Guess what? I can go out of the window. Okay, wait a minute. Gosh darn it, wait a minute. I was trying to prove a point. Okay, there we go. Okay. What I can do is I can go out of the game window. And I can do this. Where I can customize it while the game is running. So that means I can look at the results. So right now if I look back at the game. Not bad, eh? Not bad, not bad. I kinda want the camera to be attached to it though. So I'm gonna attach this to the camera instead. Yeah, I'm gonna attach this to the head. And then attach it to the camera. I want it, see? So that means we can now just look here. We can now see that the thing will always be in camera view. I like that. I like that. So let's get out of the window. So let's go Alt-Tab. And then we're gonna go ahead and move it to a point right here where it'll make sense. So right now it doesn't make sense, as you can probably see. So we're gonna go ahead and move it to where it makes sense. Hand.
Toads again.
Gosh darn it.
And I can't wait to kiss some toads again. They're always hopping in my garden at nighttime. And I wish they'd just come out for me to kiss.
Right.
Kissing toads again.
Mm-hmm.
I can't wait to kiss my slimy friends.
Right.
They just want to search all night for some bugs. And I can't help but kiss some toads again.
Mm-hmm.
Kissing toads again. Their amphibious nature always makes me happy. I love them.
Right.
I want to give them all the
I think there's like a trick for them to like render outside of the view. So I think the video is gonna show us how that's done. But here we go. So now when we look, hey, let's go, boy. We got yay, double spatula. Give me that. It's toppling over. Now swing. Yeet. Bruh. Yo, that thing went flying. I just realized that a lot of these things are like really light. So I gotta add some mass. I feel like these are extremely light. Like for instance, let me see. Yeet. Yeah, it's extremely light, bro. I can throw them in literal like miles. That's ridiculous. Hold on, let me get out of here. Like, like how far can I freaking toss this? Oh no! Oh, it's bad. Okay. Oh my goodness, bro. Bam. Insane. What the? Oh, right, we have a collision pin shape here. The stream cutted. Oh, I thought it cutted. What the? Bro, the physics is so good. So good. Yes, yes, of course. Amazing physics. 1000% the best physics you'll ever see in a game. Alright, anyways, let's go ahead and continue. We're getting distracted. Okay, let's remove the spatula because now it's ready to go. Oh wait. I'm stupid. I should have. Oh man, I am so big dumb. I'm actually so big dumb. The guy said you're supposed to change it in the spatial, not in the actual tool. I'm so big dumb, bro. I am actually so big dumb. That's insane. That's crazy that I'm actually that dumb. Bruh. You're supposed to change the hand, not this. Oh my gosh. So we have to do this all over again. Okay, wait. Very cool. Let's just go ahead and stretch this down.
Yo mama's so fat.
Gosh darn it.
Trump used her as the border.
Why do we have this in there? Get it out of here, bro.
Perfect. It's
Get out of here. Goodness me. It. No. No. I can't freaking believe it. The time that I literally went to freaking fix the problem, I got freaking rickrolled. Alright? Is this the world we live in now? Is this actually the world that we live in? This is... Why? Why am I living in this world? There we go. Let's put the spatula right around here. Flip this for real? Sure. Sure. Goodness me. Alright. Have you heard of Bing Chilling Song? I was away for a while. I haven't. I still don't know exactly what it is. There we go. So now it's the spatial node. As you can see, there's like this weird bug where it like goes through. I think I saw a video that fixes this. So we're gonna see how we're gonna fix that. All right. Let's go ahead and apparently remove it. Remove it in the scene. And now anything we add here, so let's say if we add the knife. So we add the bread knife, not the rigid body. The bread knife HR. Wait, what? What do you mean? It has this. It has a thing. What are you talking about? Just make it a separate thing so it's not in the scene, it's a separate render. I have heard that, I think that's the technique. I think there's like a technique you have to do like in Godot. Like it does that. It would put it in a separate layer. I forgot how to do it. I saw a video of someone like, I think it's the same guy, Garbage. But I forgot exactly how he does it. Like there's a specific thing in Godot that will allow you to do that. All right, let's see.
What is that thing heading towards us?
Don't worry, it's just a capybara. They are actually quite friendly and can make a good pet.
Okay.
It just turned into some tanks.
I have a 1 in 338 chance of my song playing to Ambi. Nice. How long is this meme? Oh, it's 32 seconds, thank goodness. Okay. I thought it was gonna be longer than that. Okay, let's add again bread knife HR. So now when we add this in, that's I look like I'm about to stab someone. Come here. let me give a quick stab. What is this, man? Bruh. Why is the rotation like weird? Hold up. Is the rotation in this like odd? Transform. Oh yeah, why is it 90? Why is it freaking 90, bro? Yeah. I mean, I think the spatula works, but the bread knife doesn't, which is weird. There we go. The red knife now works. Epic. Very pog. Alright. Now let's look at the tutorial again and see what's happening. Let's go ahead and make the music a little lower because I need to listen to the tutorial.
Z minus and var weapon to drop. This keeps track of which weapon we want to pick up, and once that's done, right click on the gun node and delete it. Now you can start coding. In the script, the first thing we're going to do is create two variables, var weapon to spawn and var weapon to drop. This keeps track of which weapon we want to pick up and which to drop. Next, we're going to create a reference to our hand node and our reach raycast node by writing onReadyVar reach equals $head/camera/reach, as well as onReadyVar hand equals $head/hand. We also need to preload our guns so we can spawn them in and out on command by writing onReadyVar gun AHR equals preload and then the path for the gun scene, as well as onReadyVar gun A equals preload and again the path. Do the same thing for gun B. Next, we need to give the game a way to know which weapon we want to pick up. We'll do this by creating a process function if you don't already have one.
let's do that first. Let's do this first. So I'm gonna have to preload all of these. Actually, wait. You know what? Let's just watch it.
By writing
I think I can do that.
_process delta.
Because I might forget this. Reach and hand.
We'll write if reach.is colliding, if reach.getCollider.getName double equals gun A, weapon to spawn equal
wait, what's reach?
Process.
What was
do
reach?
The same thing for gun B.
Reach is what? Oh, reach is the raycast. Okay. He probably should have named it raycast, but that's fine. To make it a little easier.
Reach.getCollider.getName double equals gun B, weapon to spawn equals gun B HR.instance, L.
Weapon to spawn. What was weapon to spawn? Weapon to spawn.
Our hand node and our reach.
Oh, it's just a variable.
Again,
okay.
Reach.getCollider.getName double equals gun B, weapon to spawn equals gun B HR.instance, else weapon to spawn equals null, else weapon to spawn equals null.
Right.
So if our reach raycast is colliding with something,
that makes sense. That makes sense. You don't have to explain
drop it if you pick up a different weapon. And so we'll write if hand.getChild0 does not equal null, if hand.getChild0.getName double equals gun AHR, weapon to drop equals gun A.instance. Elif hand.getChild0.getName double equals gun BHR, weapon to drop equals gun B.instance, else weapon to drop equals null. So if hand has a
alright, okay, so wait.
Child, as in if it's holding a gun, if that gun is called gun AHR, then the weapon we want to drop will be an instance of gun A. If instead the gun is gun BHR, then weapon to drop will be an instance of gun B. And if there is no gun in hand, weapon to drop is null. And finally, we need to give the character the ability to actually pick up the guns. Go to Project and Project Settings, and in the Input Map tab, make sure you have a key binding.
I already have E. Okay, so yeah, that seems fairly simple. Okay, I'm gonna have to make sure that I get this mostly. So I need to have everything preloaded, and then I have to make sure to get the raycast system ready. So that should be fairly simple. Okay, I think I can do that. All right, here we go. Let's do it, boys. Let's get it. All right, let me turn up the music again. I got this. That seems fairly simple. All right. So first of all, first order of business. Now here's the thing. Here's the difference between me and that guy. That guy has his script inside the player. I have my script. I already have a script inside the raycast. So just to make it easier for myself for following the tutorial, I'm just gonna use the player script just like what he did. To make it easier for myself. Alright, what do we... Okay, so we're gonna first make all of the variables that he wanted. Okay, let's add a comment in here. Grabbing... No, wait. Equipping... Tools... Mechanic. Var... Weapon... To... Spawn... Weapon... To drop, and then what was it? Was it just like loading up? I think it was just loading up stuff, right? Hold on, let me check. So, oh yeah, right. I have to add some on-ready variables. So I need to have a variable for. I think I already have a variable for that. Nice. I think I already have a variable for that, like reach. So just for clarity's sake, I guess I'm just also gonna use reach. So the reach is raycast in this case. It's the raycast in our scene. On-ready variable reach and on-ready variable hand. And it is the... Where was it? I think I was in the camera. Head camera. Is it grab? Yeah, I think it was grab. Head, camera, grab. Yeah, there we go. And then... And basically almost the same. Head, camera, and then instead of grab, it was hand. Right? Yeah, it was hand. There we go. So, just for simplicity's sake, we're gonna just copy... Okay. By garbage. There we go. We'll just put that in there. To make sure that we're following this to the T, you know? And then... He said, load up the assets. So, it was... What was it? On-ready... Oh, so we just preload them. Right. So we just preload HR and then... So, spatula and then... Spatula HR, spatula A... bread knife HR, bread knife, and then that's it. We'll just make a tool A and then tool B. That's a lot easier to keep in mind. So let's do... What was it? Tool A HR. Preload. There we go. Tool A. And then spatula. This is a dream song. To be honest, this dream song is better than Mask. Honestly, yeah, because I mean, he's talented. That's the difference. It's kind of hard to debate on that, really. Let's have spatula as the first.
How it goes. They've drawn the battle line and I see fire in their eyes.
Oh, come on, really? I have to type the whole thing again? Fine, whatever, freaking Godot. You want me to type more? You freaking stupid? Okay, whatever. I see a dreamer. And then let's have... What was it? Nice. Can you move the Roblox Bed Wars part later? Yeah, but like honestly, we don't really know if we're even gonna do it. Well, it depends. If we get too lost in the sauce with development, if I get bored with development, then we're gonna go ahead. But right now, I mean, we're doing pretty fine. Okay, what happened here?
You've got dragons, my little friend. You'll conquer them in the end. If you can.
Okay, let's copy the first thing here. All right. So this is the main thing that we need. So essentially, the idea is we're gonna need to copy this whole thing. Now, I'm just gonna do this to make sure that we have a copy of it so that we don't have to look at the video. We'll just look at this and we can just zoom in. There we go. Oh gosh, how do you... Okay, there we go. Control for this. Okay. Alright, let's see. So if the raycast is colliding, if it... Wait, what? Okay, I guess that's gonna happen if it's like... Right.
Well, JT set a challenge. I'm here to answer it. You want facts?
Right.
Well, you asked for it. I'm gonna give you.
I'm gonna just have this like sort of ready.
It's the truth. Ain't no
Again, I'm just gonna follow the orders. All right.
You can quote the track. It's not a trivial pursuit. It's a matter of fact.
Please have your pen and paper ready. The facts will commence in 3, 2, 1. Facts.
Black-thighed falconet, world's smallest bird of prey, giraffe's neck made
Colliding is colliding.
You were made back when you were 75 pounds a litre a day. The opposite of deja vu is jamais vu. It's when something familiar feels strangely new. A similar really call a saber tooth, and they were nothing like tigers to say the truth. A reindeer's eyes go through a range of hues. They're gold, but in the winter change to blue. There are more hats
Get colliding.
than there are real
Get collider.
Biotic 56 years too complete. So by the time
what? Yeah, get collider. So that's a class get name. Why can't they just make it and name is? That'd be a little easier, but sure. I think they probably changed it to that.
Buckle up, this one's a little morbid. In the 50s, laugh tracks were
what was the
show has a canned laugh audience. There's a good chance that the laughers are all dead. There's no letter B.
Yeah, there we go. Spatula, spatula, and then red knife. Right. There we go.
Annually, we make 7 billion zips. To dot an I as a tittle on a diet to pip.
Spatula.
Died live in the middle of a quip, but my granddad once taught him how to build a ship. Jay's the only letter that is not in any element. The White House got power when Harrison was president.
Weapon to spawn. Gun A instance. So that. So wait. Oh, so the HR will be instant. Alright. Weapon to spawn. Tool A HR instance. There we go. Is this a freaking song about World War One? Is this actually a song about World War One? Am I tripping? I don't know why I'm hearing freaking like Churchill and what the frick? I got 2 hundo? Epic! Someone screenshot it and send it on Discord. Thank you guys, I appreciate it. It's about facts. Oh, I have like it's like it reminds me of like Pitbull. No, not Pitbull. Dan Bull. It's that rapper.
And that's a fact. There's more ways to stack a deck of cards.
And the galaxy has stars, and each year we eat so much Nutella that you can span the Great Wall of China with the jars. Coca-Cola sells so many drinks worldwide, the measuring profit just won't suffice. So share a throat.
Okay, if
the percentage of humanity's hydration
and
Memetics is the study of shared ideas.
get child
First appeared. Johnny Cash was a radio engineer.
is not null.
That in the wild there are less flamingos than plastic ones on lawns. The man who invented the tube for Pringles.
Phone number reveal time. Oh boy, sent it on Discord. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. If hand get child and the name is HR, weapon to drop. Okay, there we go. So I guess it's the same thing here. Alright, nerd.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching, and thanks to JT as well for the awesome
It is very skilled. His rapping is very skilled. No shame on him.
Nuts. Fast approaching 17, so thanks so much for all your comments, your likes, and your support. And there's loads more tracks on the way. Dan Bull just issued a board game rap challenge, which sounds amazing.
Anime, don't look at the music playlist. Whatever you do, don't look. Did someone send in porn? Why do you feel like I feel like you're extremely nervous for some reason. Let's see. Okay, I think that's about it. And then let's see what we got next. Can you just listen to Whip It to hype me up? Because I'm tired. What's Whip It? Like whip my hair back and forth? Is that the one? Okay. Did you send it over to playlist? Hold on. What the hell, bro? Stop adding my freaking live stream to it. Stupid. Is it here? Nah, it's not here. Wait, what? It is here. There we go, whip it. Hey. It is in here. Wow, that is... Man, playlists on YouTube is terrible, bro. Absolutely ass. Alright, let's go ahead and just copy the next one that he's gonna have. So there's an interact button, I already know that. Okay. I think that's it. Yeah, that's about it. So this is how he did it, basically. What was it? Okay, let's copy this. I'm happy I didn't see it in the playlist. That's not a good sign to say to someone. I am so glad you didn't see the horrific, I don't know, freaking Red Room video that I sent. Thank goodness I did not see the terrorism video that I sent to your freaking playlist. I don't know what in the world you're trying to freaking make up of this video. It's not gonna be that bad. Like, what are you trying to freaking say? Goodness gracious. I mean, if you really didn't, then I mean, fuck you. But other than that, you don't have to freaking... Like, what is that? What is that supposed to symbolize? I added 200 Musash songs. I mean, unless if you sent in a full OST, then you're fine. That's really the only problem, is if you send in, like, I specifically, explicitly said, don't send, like, a full OST video. you can send multiple of a video. You can send the videos like one by one, but don't freaking just send like one big video where it's just like OSD Muse Dash HD and it's like 3 hours long. That's like really the only rule. Because if you do that, then I'll just quickly skip you. That's really it. Well, not quickly, because after a while it'll just get boring anyway. Okay, I probably need to close Blender. I already have done most of this stuff there anyway. Alright, so... do I have an interact button? Input map. Interact. I don't. Just for the sake of, just for the sake of ease, I'll just do that. 202-minute Muse Dash songs. Alright, sure, whatever. Heck, if you're willing to do that, like to I guess like I don't know exactly how you would add stuff to a playlist. I don't exactly know. Can chat vote skip or I don't actually know. Like I mean, honestly, I just like having stuff in the background. That's why I kind of like putting this here. I like putting it here because it will be like not too much in the ears. Because again, I just want to put something in the background. That's really all it is. Maybe I'll set up like Nightbot in the future or something. Where like people can like do commands or something, but... maybe I'll do that actually. I don't know. The problem with Nightbot is that it can get pretty annoying with how you set it up. Alright. So if interact and if weapon to spawn, if there's no weapon to spawn. Okay. Okay. If input action is action just pressed interact if weapon to spawn is not equals null? Is the entire Deltarune OSD here now? Who sent it in? Goodness gracious. Why? If hand get child, what? If hand get child 0 is also null. Oh, so if there's no, yeah, there we go. There we go. Hand get child equals. So if there's nothing in his hand, get parent add child weapon to drop. Add child weapon to drop. Hi, MC. Oh gosh, wait, what the heck, bro? What is this? Weapon to drop, global transform, hand global transform. I don't know if you've responded to my question. If so, then I was away. Can I make like a personal playlist sometime? And you seem to be annoyed by the other additions. If you guys have playlists, we can do that for hashtag suggestions. Where people would send in like curated playlists. We can do that. We can do that, yeah. And you know what? Oh, that's probably what I should have done. Where if people send in their curated playlists, I will add my own. Like I would do like a review of the playlist, and I'd be like, I'll pick these ones out for the developer hell playlist. That's what I'll do. That seems like a good idea. Like if people send in their own playlists in music request, and then I will just go ahead and pick out my own songs from it. Like if I want to add it on the developer hell playlist. Yeah, that seems fun. That seems very fun. I think I'm able to do that. Because some people just don't know how to cooperate. So that's probably one way to make it a lot more efficient. Honestly, I don't really mind it. I don't really mind it when people send it in that late because, to be real, again, I just need noise in my ears. I don't really care if your song doesn't get played. I don't really care if that happens. This isn't this isn't like a freaking DJ stream where I have to make sure your song's in the mix. I just want something to listen to while I'm coding. Let's see. Okay. So this is what I missed. Global transform. Okay, that seems easy. Alright. Also, why do I have this on? Bruh. There we go. Close that. Okay. Now, do we have... Okay. Get parent, weapon to drop, global transform. Weapon to drop, global transform. Is that what it is? Global transform. Hand global transform. There we go. Weapon drop. Weapon to drop, dropped equals true. Ah, I probably should have set that to false then. Yeah. Alright, Leo. And also LOL. Alright, take care, sleep well. Hand, get child, queue free, okay. What the f- What the f- Bruh. What is this song, bruh? Okay. Reach, get collider, queue free. Oh my goodness. I did. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for 200. Weapon rotation, hand rotation. Okay. By the way, Ambi, this song was made in 2010. Dang. I think that's it for the video, I think. Okay, oh wait, I have to set the thing to false instead. Tools. Alright, let's see. What the fuck? Excuse me. What the What just happened? Bro. Man. Okay, there we go. Man just stole the table, fam. What is that, man? Bruh. I think I have to add like an exception. Is that a thing? With exception? Is that a thing? I'm not too sure. Exception. Nice. What is this? Add exception? Add a collision exception so the array doesn't report collisions with a specified node. Can't hear it? Alright, there we go. I don't really need it to be that loud. Do I really need it to be mode static? I don't think so. I should get a life instead of playing a Roblox game for 4 hours. Hey, you're a child. It's fine. You get your gaming hours out of the way, and then, you know, maybe you'll do something. I don't exactly know why that happened. Wait, I don't even know what was the bug. Well, why does that work? Hold up, how does that work? Because this is not supposed to be. Yeah. Like, how does that work? Huh. Okay. If Reach is colliding, Collider's name is Spatula or Bread Knife. Weapon to spawn. Right. Please put the music louder, we can barely hear it. There you go. Let's see. Like, why is it detecting my why is it detecting this? I think it's this, right? No, it's not that. Specifically the static body. Why does it detect the static body of all things and then detects it? Is equals a... That's probably a better term. Right, there you go. Because now, there we go. Let's add like an Huh. Like, why does it not... Hold on, let me clean this up. It's really, really messy. Put the song louder? Bro, is this a radio to you? Hold up, bro. Like if it's that loud, then that's basically near my hearing, and like freaking ear rape comes in. Cause I don't know, maybe you know what? Not even ear rape. Maybe someone freaking sent in a freaking 400 Muse Dash songs in the playlist. You know, just saying. I'm asleep now? Alright, Sunrise. Mimic has a new update. Can you play it tomorrow? Really? I mean... I don't know, maybe. Let's see. I still don't exactly know why this is not working. I guess it's because I have this. I have all of this script for that. Because I could just copy it over. If I really need to. I could just copy all of it over. Or maybe I can just move all of this into... No. Will it work, though? New Mimic Chapter is game mode really hard for you? Are you gonna need pro players for this? I don't freaking know. I haven't seen it. What do you expect? Normally I just get carried by Derpario for those kinds of things. So I don't really know. Oh, I now know why. I didn't add a release. I think that was the issue. Right. I forgot to add a release. There we go. There was supposed to be an else for all of those. And all of them will reach to null. Right. Ooh. Okay. Seems like a simple fix. Let's try and remove this. And then we'll add the necessary fixes. And then just put this here. I think this one is just weapon to drop. Yeah, weapon to drop equals no. Yeah. I guess that's about it. I have a VTuber girlfriend. I don't know if I'm supposed to be proud or sad. Global transform null instance. For grab. Oh, right, because it's gone, I think. Right? That's what it does? Yeah, that's what it does. Are you creating this game by yourself? Basically, yeah. But I mean, I'm having all of the help of YouTube. So, you know, I'm not alone here. I have some guidance with the power of the internet. But in terms of like I'm the only developer working, yeah, basically. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, so I'm gonna have to add an exception on these because It will be really annoying if I have to, yeah. Or this is gonna be terrible code, bro. This is gonna be so bad. I mean, it's probably gonna work, but it's like, oh my gosh, it's hideous. Look at this freaking nonsense. This is like the prime spaghetti. Let's do spatula. Look at how long that thing is. It's just freaking or. Goodness gracious. All right. Here we go. Hey, look at that. Wait, really? Why? Why still? We already have it. We already have it as spatula is done. Like it's not gonna be in there. Get collider. You know what? I'll make this a little bit nicer. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove all of this and put it all in one thing here. Hey, this song. Love this song. I think this will make it work. What? Why? What's wrong with this? Global transform on base null? The problem is there's still global transforms here. It's not very helpful. Like, which one? I'm assuming it's object grabbed because it's the only one that makes sense. Because it probably still goes through here. I'll probably, you know what, break. Yeah, I think, wait. Yeah. How do I, like, make it stop there? How do I make it do that? Pass. Why is there no... What the heck? Are you kidding me? Bruh. There's no pass function. Like, what the fudge? An hour? Really fast? Oh my gosh, bro, that goes really fast. Jeez Louise. That goes really, really quickly. Alright, let's do a quick playlist check. It's gonna be super duper laggy, because of course it is. Hey, look at that! Bunch of Undertale songs. Wow. Jeez Louise, this man really went for it. Let's see. Got, what is this? Catherine's Found a Way. Interesting. More Deltarune shit. Okay. I was a little bit like, wait a minute. Like that thing is like that thing is like long as hell. Interesting. Why? Let's see. Why? Okay, a new animatic for some reason. Muse dash, Muse dash. Yep, more Muse dash. All right, that's about it. Yeah, that's basically the majority of the playlist. Let's keep going. All right, here we go. Why did it stop though? Let's just go here. Hashtag Theme C's original song. Ocean Blue. I didn't know CG5 already has a Theme C's song. That's kind of crazy. That's like ridiculously fast. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna ask Discord for this because this should be pretty easy. How to end a chain of if statements. I tried pass, but it didn't break. It didn't stop there. There we go. So I think someone's trying to solve there. This should be a pretty simple way this would be a pretty simple thing for them to solve anyway. Trying to think, where the heck is it? Like methods, maybe? Pass. Yeah, they like, where's pass? I don't know if that's like I have no idea what the hell that means. Pass does nothing. Okay, hold on. So I think they're requesting code. I want it to end here if this statement is true. This is where I want to end the if statement if it's true. What method do I use? Use elif instead of ifs for the next ifs. Huh. Okay. Sure. I guess that'll work, yeah. So if I want something to be, like, immediate, I guess I'll just have else if. Elif thing would work. You can always use return to return from a function at this point. Alright, so I can use return as well. So, we have the collider there, prepared. I think I had to grab... Wait, hold on. Wait a minute. Like, I just put that there. We'll see. Check Discord? What the f... What? Why is there two? Bruh. Invalid index, value type transform. Weapon to drop, global transform equals to hand, global transform. Why were there two? Why is there two? Why is there two tools? Bruh. Invalid get index name. What if I just... If I just do pass on this, it'll probably work. Huh. Invalid index... Invalid get index name? But why? That worked before. Probably because of this. This is probably much cleaner. Yeah, that's a lot cleaner. What does that mean? Huh. Get parent, add child, weapon to... Wait, what? So I add... Okay, so here's the thing. I add the child, the weapon to drop... Okay, hold up. Do they have anything to say here? Okay, just in case. Alright, the weapon to drop, global transform. I don't even know what global transform is. What is global transform? World space transform of this node. Right. Okay. Hmm. And add child weapon to spawn. Ah, I guess this one. Okay, is this correct? Hold on. So let's say if I grab bread knife, I get bread knife. Then I'm supposed to be able to drop it. That's the idea. So the thing is, I'm able to now grab a spatula, which is good. But now I can't drop it. Like, I press E once and it doesn't drop. Which is not what I want. Which means there's something wrong with this. Get parent, add child, weapon to drop. So that is this thing. Weapon to drop becomes whatever I just had. And then weapon to drop, global transform, goes to, becomes hand global transform. Weapon to drop equals true. The child gets deleted. The collider also gets deleted. And then you add the spawn in. Right. There we go. Okay. That should be good, actually. The thing is, I don't quite know what it's trying to say. So I grab it, and then... Okay, wait. What happens if I try to have this and then this? Right, it starts to glitch out. Huh. Man, this is really annoying because it's all because I set it up the way that I did, where all of it is inside here. If I didn't set it up like this, this probably would have been an easy fix. To be perfectly honest. Hmm. Hmm. I think that's about it. Right. So I think that is like everything in the code should be working. It's just that it's not working. What a perfect way to explain it. Hmm. What was the one that... Wait a minute. Collider? Huh. So I think there's no real reason to have it there, to be honest. I think. Because it doesn't seem to be doing practically anything. Hmm. Huh. Oh my gosh. It's almost there. It's almost working. I got the part where it's supposed to pick up the thing. The problem is when I try and drop it, it doesn't do it. And since I think it got deleted, then it's just gone. Hmm. You know what? What if I put this as null instead? There we go. I don't know. Maybe like around maybe like 40 minutes more, actually, I'd say. Let's see if that actually works. I don't actually even know. Hmm. If it's not null, then what is it? Oh boy. This is so much more complicated because I added this thing in here. Like this whole system is in here. I think If I move everything to there, it would make it so that everything is in there. I don't actually even know. Like if I do this, and if I add everything in here. Huh. And then I copy all of this to here. What would happen? So everything just loads up. So far, so like it's oddly no errors, which is a little concerning. But that's also pretty good. That means there's no obvious like error. So we have this that we can put in, so at least. If get col- okay, wait. Let's remove this one. And then oh, you know what? What if I just do this? And then we'll just put all of this in here. And so now yeah, something like that. Yeah, that'll make sense. There we go. Go ahead and clean this up. That makes sense. Is there like a... Wait a minute. You can't change the look of it. Kinda annoying. Alright. That's that. If object grabbed, expect an indented. Oh, right, because this if is the... Okay. There we go. Alright, let's see what this is about. Well. Well. Kind of expected that, honestly. In base null instance. Is Reach even able to actually do this? Right, I don't think it can. Yeah. Grab, so it can't do any of that. Okay, let's do... What was it? Okay, so this is the the raycast. And then you get this. And there you go. Is that correct? Still this? What are you talking about, bro? What is up with your... I mean, honestly, it's already in grab anyway. I don't even think we need to... Yeah, I don't even think we need to do this. Because it's already in grab anyway. So I don't think I need to have that there. I don't think I need reach. Yeah. Anything with reach, just remove that. That's about it, really. Get child? Oh, because now it's, yeah. Because I'm assuming that's not in our thing now. Oof. I think what someone said like before is that you do like you do this and then camera hand? That's how you do it? No. What? How do I get node the hand spatial node? There we go. In grab. There we go. I have 103 pings. Is that from you? Wow. What an ass. Watch out for a 6'1" weirdo called Michael. Get node hand. Wait, really? Is that simple? I would advise against it. Nah, we good, man. We good, man. Nah. We good. Alright. Oh, okay. What? Why is it still like that? But why? Invalid set index on base nil with value of type transform. Huh. Like, why does it do that? Hold on. Like, why does it... Weapon to drop. I think I messed something up. Hold on, let me check the video real quick. No, that's basically that, yeah. Like, it's supposed to drop. Weapon... Okay, so... The weapon that you're supposed to drop... Right. Is it because it's not there? It's supposed to be there, yeah. And then... Let's say switch here. Like, why does that happen? Weapon to drop becomes null. Huh. That's weird. Hold on. Does it actually show me here? So I got the spatula. Weapon to drop becomes null. Because... Why? Why does it become null? Because it already has a child. Hand, like, the hand is here, right? Hand. Get the child of hand. Like, I feel like the 0 makes it not work. Maybe it's just me, but I feel like that 0 was making it not work. And it's just going to have one child anyway. Too many few. Oh, really? So you had to have that there? Oh boy. I am a bit stumped here, aren't I? Alright. Time to call in the boys. Hold on, wait a minute. There we go. Weapon to drop. Hold on, wait a minute. I just want to check. Weapon to... Okay. I think I need to have like a print check or something. Hey. Applause. Also, is it... Wait a minute. This is not supposed to be HR, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be tool A. Hold up. It's supposed to give me a rigid body, not a... It's still not gonna work, but... But why? Why does it not detect weapon to drop? If... Wait a minute. If the hand which is this one. Child is not null. If the name of the child is Spatula. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Oh. Is this supposed to be named Spatula? And that's why it's not working? And this one's supposed to be called bread knife? Is that why it's not getting detected? Or something like that? Hold on. Nope. I thought I had something there. Gosh darn it. Bruh. It's still null. But why? Why is it null? How dare you? The thing is, I think still other stuff work. Please tell me that the other stuffs work. And because goodness gracious, if all the other stuff doesn't work, I'm gonna cry. Okay, there we go. Everything still works. This still works. This still works. So everything still works. It's just that now I have to make sure that this also works. So you can pick that up. That's easy. It's just this part that doesn't really make any sense. Because for some reason, it doesn't detect weapon dropped. Even though it's already here. Yeah, even though, like, weapon to drop is still not there. Weapon to drop. Like, why? What is this? Copy error? Tool B HR. What? Yeah, why does weapon drop become null? This is not supposed to be this difficult. This is supposed to be an easy addition. Why? This is not supposed to be this hard. Hand get child is not null. If the name is not Spatula. I mean, we've already done it, so it's kind of a... It's kind of the bad part here, really. Because we've kind of already done that. Alright, Al. Gonna play some Funkin' Friday. If it's colliding, it will spawn Tool A HR. And if the hand... Wait a minute. Dual AHR instance? Weapon to spawn. But where does weapon to spawn go? Wait a minute. That doesn't make any sense. Where did weapon... Wait. Where did weapon to spawn went? Weapon to spawn, dual AHR, instance. If weapon to spawn is not null. So that means if... And get child. So it went here, so that means everything in here seems to be working. The problem becomes, why is it not... Why is it not detecting all of this thing? Which is weapon to drop. I think... This might just be me, but I feel like you're supposed to put this before this. Because I feel like it needs to detect this first, and then it will detect this. I don't know. Let's see. No, that really doesn't matter. Ah! Oh my gosh, bro. This is not what I expected for this stream. This is supposed to be an easy addition to this. But for some reason, we're having so much trouble on such a simple thing. Why is this so hard? This is not supposed to be this hard. There is no reason for it to be this hard. Like, what is this? Yeah, the weapon to drop becomes null. Dual AHR. Epic. Okay, so that, like, everything here seems to be working fine. Except for the fact that I think... Wait a minute. I think that works, yeah. Right, I think everything works here. It's just that this... I don't know why this doesn't seem to be working. Weapon to drop, global transform equals hand transform. Like it tries to detect weapon to drop, but weapon to drop doesn't have anything. Because why exactly? Like, what if I just remove this? If I remove the ability for it to remove null, it still is null. Really? So it's not getting a child from this. Are you kidding me? But why? Why is it not getting a child from it? that weapon drop, which is an instance child of a node, error breakpoint, and it seems to only and it okay, wait a minute, you know what, I'm not gonna ask this question. Why is it null? Why is this null? Answer me, damn it. Why is it null? Hold on. Like, what's so hard of the global transform of this? I mean, it's just a rigid body. Global transform. Global transform? What's a global transform? Yeah, transform is just like the... Then why is it taking so long to get that? That's not supposed to be that hard. If there's a child in hand, and if the name is Spatula, then set weapon to drop as tool A instance. That should be pretty... Goodness me. This should be fairly simple. Welcome. Welcome back. Let's skip that. Also, do we have it? Okay, we have it in shuffle, yeah. Still struggling with this stupid thing. I don't understand why this doesn't work. I followed the tutorial to the T. Maybe not. I mean, maybe I messed something up for some reason. I mean, we'll just add the... I mean, it doesn't really matter. Just finished doing maths. Epic. Why is it not getting a transform? Because the hand is, obviously. What's add child again? Isn't it supposed to be weapon to spawn? No. I thought I was being smart. What's this? Invalid set index with the value type transform. What the hell did I just do? What was that trippy nonsense? Invalid set index with a value type of that. Because weapon to drop is null. Why is it null? Can you please explain to my little dumb brain why is it null? It does not make any sense. Why is it null? Okay, hold on. Hand. I don't know if she's gonna type like a question, so I'm gonna wait. If hand gets child equals null. Okay, there we go. Weapon to drop always seems to be in null. Why is that? There we go. There we go. Just in case. Like, I don't know if I'm, like, completely missing something here. Like, it's completely null. Like, for some reason. Like, I don't quite know why it's null. It doesn't really make sense. Because hand child, the child of hand, Nice handband. What? Why is it the same sequence? It's literally the exact same sequence, YouTube. What is this freaking nonsense? It literally gave me the exact freaking sequence. What the hell is that? It literally went from that song and then it did, like, what is up with YouTube? Oh my gosh, bro. I can't believe this is taking me 3 hours to make this thing. This is supposed to be a super duper easy addition to the game, and for some reason, I'm missing something. Like, something so badly. You know what? Let's see if I switch this back here and maybe it will, I don't know, magically fix itself. Honestly, we've already done that and it doesn't really. Right. I don't know why. Log hand get child 0 and its name before the if statement so you can see. Right. Okay, let's see. Print got something. All right, so this time it's gonna say it got something. So it does have something. Print weapon to drop. Yeah. Oh wait, that's the wrong way to go about it. Hold on. Let's try that. So it's supposed to grab it. Why is it null? It's saying null. For some reason. That is so freaking weird. Like, is tool A? Hey, wait a minute. Pepsi or Coca-Cola, or is it something else? What? I have no idea what that is, but I actually like both of them. But if I were to choose, I'd probably go Pepsi. So this is bread knife. Right. Like, there's nothing... Why is it saying null? Why? Like, let's say if I want to print out the weapon to spawn instead. Right. There you go. Okay, null, 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 null. Okay, it's using that as a reference. And it's back to null. So I want this to be the mesh instance for that, but for some reason it won't do that. Oh boy. Because it detects weapon to spawn, but it doesn't detect weapon to drop. It doesn't... Added child. The weapon to spawn works fine. It's able to spawn the instance, the scene. You're actually freaking kidding me. What is this? What is this sequence that I'm in? Is this what YouTube does? It will just do like some stupid pattern, and it's not like complete random. That is insane. That is ridiculous. It locks you in some sort of pattern or something. For some reason, it doesn't detect the newly instant shot. It just prints out null. The weapon to spawn works fine. It's able to instance the scene. The problem is, like, it works normally for the other ones. Like, so that's bread knife, right? Yeah, that's exactly what that is. Advanced learning, language learning with envy. This is not even supposed to be advanced. This is supposed to be like easy, but for some reason it's harder than I expected. For no particular reason. There is no reason for it to be this hard. Like, seriously. This is supposed to be easy. But for some reason, I've managed to make this more complicated than it has to be. And I don't understand why. Because luckily, everything still works. So everything still works like that. Everything works like this. But this whole system of switching to a knife and switching to that breaks the entire system. Alright. I guess it's now doing that. Alright. Wait, what's the question? How to highlight a specific line? Highlight any line that has the wrong syntax? Highlight the... I mean, I don't think that's possible. I'm not too sure. Huh. Like, why is it null? Why is it null? What if I just do this? Like, I could just rebuild the entire thing. Probably not even gonna take that long if I'm gonna be real. I also probably should have this as like interact 1 and interact 2. That's it. The thing is, it already has. It's not null. It says that it's not null. So what am I supposed to do? Because if it's not null, then it's supposed to be detected by this. Right? Am I stupid? If hand gets child 0, if hand gets child 0. That is literally the exact method. But for some reason, it doesn't detect it. I don't understand why. Like, why? Why does it... No. I wish it like shows you which one. Like if you click and it will like highlight which one. That would be so much easier, but you just kind of have to trust that it is this. And the people did say that it was that. So I'm so sad. This is supposed to be easy, but I'm just so stupid that I can't figure it out. How do I add songs in the playlist? There's a link in the description. Honestly, wait a minute. What if I just do this? So hand is literally just there. Is that just gonna work? I mean, maybe. No. It does make it similar, though. So that's that. I still don't understand it. Like, why does it not detect it? It just doesn't detect anything. And that drives me crazy. Because it's not supposed to be... Like, why? Why is that? Why does it do that? It doesn't make any sense. I'm having this problem. Please reply. I need help. Your tutorial is the best and I cannot find help. That means that you don't have a gun in hand. Make sure you wrote weapon to drop equals null at the end. I even tried copying your code from GitHub, but it's still the same error. I fixed my big brain. Had an elif is the tab area. There was a null statement, but there's a new problem. Did you find a fix for this? I'm running into the same. So literally, the tutorial's wrong. Honestly, I'm a little bit happy. It makes me a little bit happy that I'm not the only one who had to struggle through this slog of a mess. So the tutorial itself was wrong. This entire time, it was wrong. So... you know what? At least I'm happy about that. I still don't understand where weapon to spawn works. Like... I press E. Like, where is the spawning system? Where you can pick up items. Okay, there's interact. Pick up. Yeah, that looks so simple when he does it. Is your stream in the playlist? Because I see your stream as the first one in your playlist. Yeah, because they're freaking stupid. That's why. I'm probably gonna do the thing that someone requested where it's like playlist curations. So I'm just gonna pick out from your guys' playlist the ones that are actually not garbage. And then I'll add it to the playlist. Patting my kitten while watching heavy stuff or trying to understand the code. Yeah. So it turns out that I was not the only one having this issue. Other people were also having this issue. I want to see... Hold on. What's breakpoint? For debugging a project set by the developer, can be placed in any line of code. It has a breakpoint here for some reason. Because it doesn't know what weapon to drop is. It really doesn't know. Because the hand, for some reason, is not detecting a child. Which is so weird. Like, why? Like, why isn't it not detecting anything? You know what would be a cheeky way to do this? You know what? Sure, I'll do the cheeky way. Just to make it look like everything's working. I mean, it's not really gonna work completely, but... The hand for some reason is not detecting a child. That sounds so wrong. I had to switch back to stream just to make sure. Yeah, you say stuff a lot in stream, especially in these kinds of streams where you might be on some sort of hit list. I think that should give us like a pseudo. Really? Wow. So this whole thing does not work. This whole system does not work. I missed the Godot the dev stream that I have a question to Flipping Burgers with mockup. Yeah, like I that's sort of like I guess like a simplified version of what it was, but yeah, that's basically just about it. Oh. Now I have a... Well, that's kind of what I wanted, but it's like, it's broken as hell. Because it has... It has not removed my... And also, why am I drifting? What is this? Okay, whatever. So it just doesn't work. Like, even if I tried to to do it cheekily, it still wouldn't work. Like, I could just film a video of these things, and not touch the spatula at all. Until I figure it out. Because right now, it's not working. Yeah, because it literally does not want to do that. Yeah, it doesn't want to do that. Oh well. Hey, you know what? It's already so late. And I think, yeah, nobody's really gonna respond. So I think I'm good. I'm gonna try and fix this off stream. And hopefully tomorrow we'll have switching. But there you have it. I have at least, okay. On the bright side, I didn't really had to do any other more progress today because I already added the trays today. I didn't had to. I just kind of, you know, whatever, right? Like I just added it because why not? And so I still call this a win. Even though we didn't get exactly what we wanted today, I still think that it's basically what we wanted. And so, you know, I think I'm fine about that. Can you do one match of Roblox? Okay, I'm done. What the hell? Okay, you know what? I'm done. Thank you for watching. I'll see ya.